Good morning. Last 2 years have been a good learning experience for all of us. We evolved, we managed to live through two lockdowns, we learned new recipes, we learned the importance of overall physical health, holistic health, and mental health. But sadly, dental health was missing from the whole scenario. We did not know how to take good care of our dental health. The increase in stress levels led to decrease in saliva or thick saliva. The increase in stress levels led to stress eating. We found solace in comfort food, sugary desserts. We learned how to bake a cake, and consumption of all that led to a recipe for disaster, a recipe for dental cavities. The result of those 2 years is very much obvious in our dental clinics now, with patients requiring multiple dental treatments, complex dental treatments. The tooth have been broken down badly and they need complex implants now. We are seeing patients from as young as 2.5 years old to 70, 80 years old. And patients want to know why. Very often, patients ask me, ma'am, why is this happening to me? I take good care of my teeth. Sadly, the only answer I can give them as of now is it is trending. As we are gearing up for another lockdown and third wave, I request you all to take good care of your teeth. Luckily, disease is preventable by very simple ways. First, brushing 2 times a day for 2 minutes, complete 2 minutes. The right technique is very important. There is no magic toothpaste that can rid of the dental cavities, but the technique is very important. Secondly, change your brush every 2 months. During the course of dental history, we realized that patients are using electronic toothbrushes for years together, and because they've invested so much in the toothbrush, they forget to change the bristles. If the bristles are old, the toothbrush is ineffective. So make sure you change your brush every 2 to 3 months. Thirdly, after consuming all that cake and sugary food, make sure you rinse your mouth very well and visit a dentist every 3 months. We can diagnose disease at a very early stage, and treatment at that stage is very simple. We will not advise complex treatments for simple diseases. So, early diagnosis is always better for the treatment. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.